This virus will go where it can go. And if we're close to each other, it will jump from one person to the other. If we're not wearing a mask, it will move very quickly.
Ohio's governor is hearing about too many parties, too many big events from this area, and he believes it's why we're back at level 3, or red, once again. Concerns over COVID-19 keep rising in Ohio, across the country, and even the world. Good evening, I'm Dave Sess.
And I'm Alexis Walters. Tonight, the case numbers show no sign of slowing down.
Ohio reported 1,840 new infections. That's the highest daily count since the virus started in the spring. Pennsylvania, 1,380 new cases. And the World Health Organization also reported a new record high in confirmed cases worldwide, with more than 350,000 reported to the health agency. The previous high had just been set earlier this week. Ohio Governor DeWine says outbreaks of the virus in Mahoning County can be traced to large gatherings like weddings and funerals.
Now in Trumbull County, a 22-case outbreak was traced back to a sports team. Today, DeWine wanted to make a plea directly to the people. First News reporter Nadine Grimley has the story tonight.
A day after both Mahoning and Trumbull counties were moved to the red in the latest coronavirus advisory map, Governor Mike DeWine made a stop right here at the Youngstown Warren Regional Airport to speak directly to the people of the Mahoning Valley.
The valley's done well. I'm optimistic, but this red is a real warning sign.
Governor Mike DeWine issuing a message of caution today, saying the two counties under a public emergency is a sign the trend is moving in the wrong direction.
I am very concerned, frankly, about what I've seen in the last 10 days in Ohio.
Of the 7 different indicators that would result in a change of status, DeWine says Mahoning and Trumbull counties had 4 over the last 2 weeks. They included more than 50 cases per 100,000 residents, an upward trend of new cases in a 5-day span, few of those cases in congregate settings, and a continual increase in emergency room visits for symptoms consistent with COVID-19.
The point is, we got to get in front of this now. And so this is why I'm come to the valley on this beautiful day, just to really make this appeal to the people of Mahoning Valley. We can do this. We're Ohioans. We're tough. But we got to hang in there.
DeWine says his goal is to keep the economy and schools open and allow people to go about their daily lives.
The only way that is going to happen is if people wear the mask, wear the shields, keep the distance, wash their hands very, very frequently, and really not let the guard down.
In Vienna, Nadine Grimley, WKBN 27 First News.
Now, our coverage of tracking COVID-19 continues online and on our WKBN mobile app. There, you'll find daily updates on the situation, plus new reports from Ohio and Pennsylvania.